This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.
This season of Road Warriors, we have 12 teams that go head-to-head. Points accumulate over 11 rounds. Have you got what it takes to become the champion?
Road Warrior.
Round 11, Battle 1. Leafer 12 goes head-to-head with Po-Boy Racing. Leafer 12's driving the Blackjack and Po-Boy is driving the Nitro Door Slammer. Leafer 12 is currently sitting on 12 points and Po-Boy is currently sitting equal second on 16 points. It's a very crucial win here for Po-Boy Racing. Down the back there goes Po-Boy. It looks like BLUELINE's hit the side, does the 360, and Po-Boy's going to have an easy victory here if he crosses. And he does in a 10.180. Leafer 12 should have won this race. Let's go back to the replay and see what happened in turn 1. Leafer's got the advantage, but he just gets shoved there by Po-Boy, right into that side rail. Race 2 cars always swap here in Road Warriors. Po-Boy's got the first win. He's going out hard and fast, and he might actually take this out in 2. Leafer 12's right behind him, trying to play catch-up. Oh, Leafer 12 just takes the inside. Evens everything up out of race 2. Leafer 12 showing some late form in the season. Check out this overtake on the inside by Leafer 12. A bit of classy driving right there. How good do these cars look right up on the start gate? BLUELINE Racing. Leafer's behind the wheel. He's really just pulled ahead of Po-Boy Racing. I think he's going to take this out. And he does in a 9.240. That's an upset, folks. I'm surprised how quickly the Nitro Door Slammer caught up. Swings out of turn 2 and floors it here. Let's go to line cam. Another classic battle right in front of us. It's Cess driving the Autometer from Australia, going up against Superman Dion from New Zealand. Superman's driving Jonah for Hot Wheel Boys, and Cess is driving the Autometer for Metal Mania 3D. Cess is currently on 13 points, and Superman is currently on outright third in 15. Superman's got the lead into turn 1. Oh, and Cess pulls right in front of Superman, battling it out into turn 2, and it's neck and neck. Cess goes up in a rail and Superman takes that one out. We've got to go back and check this replay out. Check out Superman Dion swinging on the inside. Some classy driving. Cess is pushed into that rail and almost goes over. Let's look at line cam. Round 11 was always going to be tough, and that is some serious driving there. Superman Dion has the inside. Superman's gone out hard. He's taken that turn beautifully. Cess is right on his tail, trying to overtake. Cess has hit the sidewall and she's gone. It's Superman Dion driving Jonah. Unlucky racing tonight for Metal Mania 3D. Yeah, she hit that sidewall hard, and that was the end of her in battle 2. This has to put Superman Dion driving for Hot Wheel Boys in a very good position. Your current leader, the Fractal Panda, is standing outright on 17 points, is going up against Scoop Adams, who's currently on 9 points. The Fractal Panda wins this, I think he will take out the competition. The pressure is on, and I'd hate to be up there because the nerves would be killing me. They've got the green and they're off and racing, and it's a Fractal Panda out hard and fast like he's always done this whole season. Looks like he's going to take out race 1 comfortably, coming in backwards. Oh, Scoop Adams takes him on the line. The Royale with cheese just cleaning up the Fractal right on the line. Let's have a look. Oh, he's just floored it. Let's go again. Oh, that's an upset, ladies and gentlemen. We've got to go again. We've seen some crazy racing here. Look how close that is. Scoop Adams takes out that first race in battle 3. Race 2, Scoop Adams has the inside. Cars always swap in the second race. The Royale with Cheese going hard into turn 1, does a big swing. The Fractal Panda just cleans him up, puts his foot to the floor and takes it across the line in a 9.20. The Fractal rattled by that first race. The Royale with Cheese stuck up near the garage is unable to get across the line. Both cars battling it down the back, and the Royale with Cheese had the advantage. Just couldn't handle that swing out of turn 1. Hits the sidewall and the Fat Track just says, I'm going to keep you in my grasp. The Fractal Panda, all squared up, has the inside. This is a do or die moment. The Fractal Panda's going out hard. Beautiful. Oh, he's hit the side. He's up and he's gone and he's over. It's Scoop Adams and the Royale with Cheese. He's going to take out this battle. Another upset, ladies and gentlemen. The Fractal in turn 2. Oh, so much pressure in this round 11. Let's go back. He's gone up high and he's just swung and hit that sidewall. Oh, and he just trips over himself. Scoop Adams just pushes him out of the way and takes the battle out. Big Sam, driving for Mark D of CRC Racing in that mighty NASCAR, is currently sitting in second place on 16 points, going up against Yo Jimbo in the Murder 8 for Super Zero Racing, and Yo Jimbo is currently on 8 points. Big Sam just needs to get across the line, take the 2 points, and this will square everything up. It's Yo Jimbo out hard and fast. Looks like he's going to take this out. Here comes the NASCAR, but it's Yo Jimbo going to get across very slowly right there. He's got pulled up there in those rails. A nice win there by Yo Jimbo. However, some of the big names are collapsing under the pressure of round 11. Race 2, Yo Jimbo has the inside. Big Sam's in top gear and flooring it. Left Yo Jimbo in his dust by the looks of it. Back to true form, Big Sam and that NASCAR. The 9.040, all squared up out of race 2. How good does a NASCAR go on this Fat Track? It just picks those lines beautifully. This will be an interesting race for Big Sam and the NASCAR. They need the win, they need the 2 points. Turn 1, it's even, it's NASCAR's pulled out in front. Yo Jimbo struggling down the back. And congratulations, Big Sam, driving for Mark D of CRC Racing. You take out Battle 4 and those 2 crucial points. Yo Jimbo putting up an excellent fight here, but the NASCAR just pulls in front. This battle, both cars are tied on 13 points in 4th place. J Woodsy Woods in the Blackfire goes head to head against Redline Salvage Inc. in the Semi-Psycho. 78 grams versus 102 grams. The battle of the long wheelbases. Woodsy has the inside in the first. Redline Salvage Inc. pulls ahead into turn 1, picks a beautiful line. Woodsy's down the back trying to play catch up, but it's a Semi-Psycho in front. Crosses in that 9.760. Takes out the first win in battle 5. Woodsy had the right idea. Go down low, but not enough juice to swing around the corner. Redline Salvage Inc. has the inside. These 2 points are crucial. Who's going to take this out? It'll all be square. Woodsy's right out front. I think he's going to square this up. And it's Redline takes him right on the line. Yet again, another upset right here in race 2. I dead set thought Woodsy had this. You can see the line and right over his shoulder, the Semi-Psycho just pips him right there. Let's go to line cam. Let's take that again. Oh, there's not much in it. Semi-Psycho takes out battle 5. Battle 6, the last for round 11. Jazzy Jensen is currently sitting on 11 points. Goes up against Hot Car Track, sitting in that lonely last position of 6 points. Jazzy Jensen has had a sensational season this year. Hot car track, he's got some late form. This is anyone's race. Battle 6. They're both all over the place. Hot car track's hit the rock again. He's still out front. Jazzy's hitting the sidewalls. And it's hot car track right out front. Oh, he slid. Jazzy just takes him over and comes in at 11.560. We've got to go back and dissect this replay, folks. I've seen some scrappy driving, but this is ridiculous. Jazzy's lucky that rock didn't come through the windscreen. Let's go back again. I know it's a home track for hot car track, but he's trying to take that shortcut. Look at the size of the boulder he's pulled out there. Race 2, Battle 6. Jazzy Jensen has the inside. They're off to a good clean start this time. Hot car track's gone out hard and fast. Jazzy's right on his tail. Swinging around that corner, and his hot car track's going to take this out. Squares everything up out of race 2. Nice little battle here. Australia versus New Zealand. Australia wins. Race 3, the last for round 11. They're both off. It's hot car track's going out hard and fast. He might actually take this out. No, he's done his big 360. And Jazzy Jensen with another perfect line out of that turn 2. Takes out Battle 6 and those 2 important points. Jazzy Jensen and the Nissan Skyline driving for NZ Racing. Jazzy Jensen taking out Battle 6 and those 2 important points. This is the end of Road Warriors round 11. We will head into the finals, which is round 12. We will have a look at the leaders board and see who's going to battle up for first, second and third place. Here's the leaders board after round 11. Both the Fractal Panda and Big Sam are tied on 18 points. These two were battled out to see who actually takes out Season 2 of Road Warriors. Po'boy Racing and Superman Dion are tied for 17 points. These two were battled out for third place. Here's the rest of the field. REDLINE Salvage Inc. on 15. Leafer 12 on 14. Cess on 13. J Woodsy Woods on 13. Jazzy Jensen on 13. Scoop Adams is on 11. Yo Jimbo on 9. And Hot Car Track on 7. It's been a big night of racing and upsets right here on Mount Western Raceway. So until round 12, I'll catch you later. These events don't happen without our sponsors, so go check them out on all their social media platforms, give them a thumbs up or make a comment down below.
This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.